What's the meaning of chin up? Chin up. Chin up.
Chin up. Chin up. The term chin up is often used in physical fitness to refer to an exercise that involves gripping a horizontal bar with both hands and pulling oneself up until the chin reaches above the bar. The primary muscles used during chin-ups are the biceps, back, and shoulders. Chin-ups are considered an effective strength-building exercise and can improve overall upper body strength and muscular endurance. Consistent practice of chin-ups can lead to increased muscle mass, improved posture, and enhanced athletic performance.